In this video, I will show you how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option for an Lenovo Legion 5 Pro 16IAH7H laptop. Okay, let's start. Power on and then keep tapping the F2 key. Yes guys, the F2 key will bring you into the BIOS configuration settings, just like this. So I will zoom in and show you guys F2, okay? So this is the interface, how BIOS looks like, Uefi. So I'm gonna select this option here, more settings. As you can see, you've got a wide range of system settings to choose from. Right, I'm gonna exit now and show you how to enter boot menu options. When the laptop restarts, keep tapping the F12 key. Yes guys, the F12 key will bring you into boot menu options. Let me zoom in and show you guys. So this is boot menu options. The first one is the primary drive, and then underneath will be the USB bootable drive. And then press the enter key and it will boot up.